Live tonight, sparring in a Sanford courtroom as prosecutors push back on a defense witness, a former medical examiner who says that George Zimmerman was hurt worse than he actually looked the night that Trayvon Martin was killed. News Channel 5's Alex Sanz is covering the George Zimmerman trial for us from Sanford. Alex, a lot different pace in court today before things wrapped up just a short time ago.
Sure was, Shannon. Very different pace than it was some 24 hours ago. The prosecution spending much of the second half of this day grilling a defense expert, trying to show the jury that George Zimmerman's story just didn't add up. Time and again, prosecutors pushed and pushed.
After George Zimmerman, the defendant, was punched or whatever, rolled around, whatever, he had an injury to his nose. You believe it may have been fractured or at least displaced in some way, and that somebody out there at the scene put it back in place, correct?
Or he did, just by pulling.
Oh, he could have done it himself.
Sure, just by pulling.
I'm assuming that would have been painful.
Defense attorneys brought in Vincent DeMayo to back up their account of the night Trayvon Martin was killed. As the day went on, prosecutors raised questions and doubt.
George Zimmerman who attacked Trayvon Martin, or whether it was Trayvon Martin who attacked George Zimmerman. You can't say it to that, correct?
That's correct, sir.
The presence of the injury on the outside, are you saying doesn't necessarily mean there wasn't additional impact or that the impact itself was minor?
What I'm saying is that you can get severe head trauma, but actually without any marks.
The photograph that was taken at the scene,
Yes.
I'm sorry, of the defendant, I apologize, where he's got blood there, right?
Right.
Okay. I put my hand over that, right?
Okay. Yes.
What do you expect my hand to have on it?
Blood.
And so it went, as each side tried to sway the jury. The defense is still pushing to show the jury a crime scene reenactment. In fact, right now inside the courthouse, back and forth on that right now with the defense and the prosecution and the judge. Despite that, the defense says it is still planning to rest its case as early as tomorrow. Back to you.